Hello everyone. So today I am going to talk about the next big course which I am bringing. Actually, this course I had brought many years back, and I have taken this in Bombay, and I think I have taken this in Delhi too. And it's the runes workshop, my very favorite workshop. Not the witches runes. Witches runes I had brought first time in India, but when it comes to runes, I was the first person who brought spells with runes in India, other than runes casting. So what is runes? For many people, runes is just German symbols. For some people know that there's a lot of secret energies when it comes to these awesome and beautiful symbols. Now these symbols are more powerful when we speak about the Vikings era. Now what was the Vikings era? Many people don't know, but Vikings era was a time when they were only warriors. And these warriors used to make use of these symbols more for their protection in war, victory in war, and if needed to heal them in war. Okay, and these symbols have its own amazing energies which will help you in getting you what you desire. So that is one way of using these runes. Now the other way of using these runes is as a prediction. Now we all do tarot reading, we do Lenormand reading, we do angel cards reading, we do oracle card reading. So then why runes? Basically I love combining my tarot with runes, and when I combine my tarot with runes, it works beautifully. Like for example, if the Fehu card is coming in the runes, okay, and exactly at that time I will see an Empress or a Ace of Pentacles coming in tarot. So it is more like a confident thing that money, profit is going to happen. So that is one way I used to love it. And I still remember in Bombay workshop I had told the people, because I had taken this workshop in July or August in Bombay 4-5 years back, and then I had told them Diwali is coming, take the Gebu symbol and go, because Gebu symbol is gifts. So I said, maybe if your parents or if your in-laws are going to give you gifts, they will give you more money, they will give you more gifts. So that I still remember that, and 2-3 of them said it had worked for them. So runes work in every aspect of life, not only when it comes to runes reading where I can predict. Now what does a rune reading do? It doesn't predict completely, it will give you an overall guidance. Now in that way, so even tarot is good in giving guidance, runes will be more like an added energy for you all to work in guidance, because when you add multiple modalities and when you start predicting, you are more confident and you get further confirmations of your existing reading, that yes, this reading of mine is good, so from now here I can go, from here I can go. So that's the reason why I always say, if you are a tarot reader, add on more modalities, add on oracle reading, add on tarot, Lenormand cards, add on runes and all that. And you can make beautiful talismans out of these rune symbols. Like for example, you can do a talisman for protection, you can do a talisman for healing. Actually this is my manual, I still remember I had brought in so many spells. So because last time what happened was, many people asked me, Pinky ji, you never give us a list of spells that you teach us. So I thought today I will give you all certain spells which I will be teaching in my workshop. Like I teach a spell for protection in this workshop with some runes. And I also teach, if you want to be gifted in Wicca or in more higher modalities like shamanism and all, what are the runes you should carry. That is, actually there are 4 spells here. I am just giving you one tip so that you will know how it works. And I also give for abroad opportunities. I also, as I said, protection, so I have already said. Ancestral properties, to get your ancestral property, there is a spell which I teach. And to bring in new projects, to increase finances. And we also have something called as the binding of runes. Now many of you have seen my Aegis Yalmar candle. Aegis Yalmar candle is one of the most powerful and a rune which is used for protection. I will explain to you the concept behind the Aegis Yalmar rune. I will also bring in how each rune is used for prediction, is used in spells, is used as a talisman, whatever you want to make use of it as, how it is made use of it in every aspect of life. What else will we will have even meditation with runes, manifesting, because runes is a beautiful tool for manifestation. Okay, now we will be doing the 24 Elder Futak runes. That is what we will be learning. There are totally 24 runes, the 24 Elder Futak runes. We will also be combining them into binding. I've already said about the spells. Yes, we will be working right from cleansing, charging and connecting with your runes to all the in-depth knowledge that I can give you in these runes. This will be a Zoom workshop basically, so it will be weekly 2 days classes, but since it is runes, even if we work at say 3 runes in a class, if 8 classes go for runes, then we will need some classes. We will be working technically for 2 runes a class, because I will also be giving you all spells with the class. So in that ways, 12 classes plus 2 more classes for case studies. And moreover, most of you all who have done my workshops know I always share my personal experiences and my personal case studies whenever it comes to any of my workshops. This workshop, what we will be doing is we will be sending you the manual and the rune set, so that you don't have to go sourcing about the rune set. And the rune set which I will be sending you, I will be sending you based on your name. I will be energizing it and cleansing it and charging it for you, and then I will be sending it to you along with my this beautiful course manual. So technically, if we speak, I think 24, even if I am giving each rune one spell, definitely 24 spells are coming. With this 24 spells, if I am not wrong, actually it will be 48 plus spells. And there are no oils and all in this workshop, but yes, 48 plus spells, how to use it as talismans, meditation, rune casting, predicting your past, present and future, giving guidance to the clients, becoming a rune caster and doing runology in depth is the main concept of this course. So those who want to be a part of this course, there will be a number which will be flashed on the screen. You can connect with that number, you can WhatsApp that number and you can get in touch with us, and we will be more than happy to take you as a part of this beautiful, beautiful runology, the studies of runes. Thank you.